Hi my tweet cats. Just getting ready to go back to school. Looking to study cat magic this year. I hope to master the art of disappearing so that my human friends can't find me. Only when I want to be found. The other great magic power is purring. Done right, it helps to control your human friends. This makes it easier to get treats and toys. I hear of one master cat who trained his human friends to leave all their money to him. What's money? I think it's time to get a treat and go and do some running and jumping. Then it will be nap time. Bye my friends.